Ladies and gentlemen, I celebrate you all. Amazing leaders, fantastic people. Uh, we just got done and dusted with our event in Lagos today. Today was full-time presentation for I 200 and also High 100. And tomorrow we are going to be having training for I 200 and also people that wants to learn the back office training and all that. Now, I want to quickly say this: everybody that is in this forum, this group, there's something big that's coming, something big that's coming that will blow your mind. Okay, High 200 is a bomb. It's the biggest thing ever that you will ever see. 2021 in network marketing. Okay, in the history of your marketing or business, I 200 is the real deal. Now, everybody that will buy in the package in I 200 will definitely become a millionaire 2021. No two ways about that. Okay. So for people that have not bought yet, it is time for you to say yes. This is what we have been looking for. I recently sent a voice note on every groups, over 250 groups in the world, and that voice note has gone viral. And people listened to that voice note and they were, in fact, seeing the vision very clearly for those that have foresight. Okay, and they are buying seriously the I tokens. Now the Igniter 200 is a bigger version, better version, okay, and sweeter version of I 100. So everybody buying it means that they are going to give you what we call loyalty points. The loyalty points on their own will automatically be growing exponentially day by day, because the community that is using the loyalty tokens, okay, the loyalty points or loyalty tokens, they are growing every single day in the world. So they are migrating people from I 100 to I 200, which is the bigger and better version of I 100. So whether you like it or not, automatically the system is just growing every day your I 200, which is a loyalty token. So if you are growing your loyalty points or loyalty tokens, it means that it's just like you're having Bitcoin in your back office that is growing every single day, every single week, every single month. And you can now, convert it to SMG tokens. The SMG tokens is the final product where you can use them to shop on any platform in the world, including Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, Zoom. You can shop anywhere as long as it's a shopping center. You can use them to do anything. You can also use them to buy gift code, generate gift code, and activate your downlines. You can book hotel with it. Okay, you can book a flight with it. You can go to a restaurant and eat with it. A whole lot of stuffs to do with it. The SMG tokens, you can also use them, to buy academic credits on our platform, and you can use these academic credits to study world-class courses in the world and make crazy money even with your certificates, because you're going to add it to your resume, your portfolio or whatever CV you call it here in Nigeria. You're going to have add it to all of that, and you can use it, to help yourself in the future and make crazy money with it too. Now we are not even talking about the academic part of it right now. Now, a lot of people are interested in how do I make money? How do I make money? Okay, so for everybody that will buy, currently one of those tokens is 0.1, cents. That's one of those loyalty points you're seeing on your dashboard is 0.1 cent. Now, if you give it the next 1 month, give it the next 2 months, the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you'll begin to see that the loyalty points will begin to grow without anybody getting to touch it. It's automatic. It's automatic. So without anybody touching it, it begins to grow on its own exponentially. And you convert it to SMG tokens and you use it. So let's say, for instance, I buy 2 million units of the loyalty points. The 2 million units I'm buying currently is 0.01. I bought at 0.01, and let's say it hits $1 in the next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, as the case may be. Based on the fact that our community is big, our community is big. People using the SMG token, the community is already big. We also have an internal exchange known as Crypto Change, where you can also trade your SMG token against other currencies, including fiat currencies, like dollars and pounds. Do you understand? So now everybody that will be buying the loyalty points by buying the package now owns money automatic in their back office. This time around, you don't need to go to the exchange wherever you don't need to wait. You don't need to wait for them to list it anywhere, even though they are going to list it on an external exchange, which is cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Bittrex, Cryptopia, and the rest of them that that people are trading. Even though before they even go for that listing, the token is already doing well in the market because of the community that is using it to do all sort of things, or all manner of things that is bringing positivity and changing lives, and people will be making money with it. So for the fact that we can even use it to generate gift code and activate our downlines alone, it will go viral. Because as we all know, when we were on I-100, which is Ignite 100, getting pounds was not even easy. Pounds were scarce, because of the number of people joining every single day. Now, that is how SMG tokens and the loyalty points will soon be scarce. So if you don't buy now, that means you are shooting yourself a gun on the leg. You're shooting yourself. There's a bullet piercing your leg, but you don't even know. It's tomorrow you begin to feel the heat of the bullet. So don't be like Peter Obi of Anambra State, the former governor, who was given the opportunity, one of the biggest, if not the biggest opportunity of his life to buy Zoom shares, and he said no to Zoom shares. Today, the biggest regret he has in life is not buying Zoom shares, and is lamenting everywhere on social media and even offline. So if you meet Peter Obi, he's still going to tell you that he missed something great, that he would have become a multi-billionaire in dollars. So don't be like Peter Obi, please. Okay, now let's move on. Now, for people that are having these tokens, the SMG tokens, you are going to be given percentages on a daily basis for having the loyalty, the SMG tokens or the loyalty points. So the loyalty points actually convert to money anytime you want from your dashboard. You don't need to go anywhere to change it. From your dashboard, you can change it to money. So let's say, for instance, your loyalty point you accumulated, maybe you buy like 1 million units, 500,000 units, 200,000 units, 1,000 units, and say you want to change it to money. You just convert it from loyalty point to SMG tokens. Once you convert it to SMG tokens, you can now spend it as like money. Like you have money, you just spend it. Okay, so when you spend it, you can spend it whichever way you want. So the biggest fast foods in the world, or the biggest grocery stores, the biggest companies in the world, you can use your SMG tokens to shop. It's big. It's big. This is beyond your imagination. This company covers fintech, we cover e-commerce, we cover artificial intelligence, we cover transportation, we cover academy, we cover energy. We cover blockchain technology, we cover business technology. We've covered everything, virtually everything. We covered it. So where they are going, these guys are going digital. They are going digital. So if you don't follow the trend of I-200, then it's a big mistake on your part. It's a very big mistake, and you are very wrong about it. Your children will not forgive you. Your family will not forgive you, because everybody will run with the Vision 2021, and everybody will become billionaires and millionaires, and you'll just be there watching. I mean, it's going to be quite unfortunate for you. Very unfortunate for you, okay? So now, nobody should miss it. I'm emphasizing on the tokens. Nobody should miss it. That was how Bitcoin came 2008, and most of us were just watching it like zombies until Bitcoin came and went viral. And currently, one Bitcoin is over 50 million naira. Just imagine if you had seen the vision, if you had seen the dream, far ahead, where you want to be or where you want to place yourself, you would have captured the vision of Bitcoin. You would have moved with it. Today, you would have been a billionaire, just investing a stipend, even if it was just $100 in Bitcoin then. Imagine what you would have become now. So nobody should miss it. And this one is bigger, better, faster in growth than any other cryptocurrency you ever seen. Okay, so this one, since the community alone is enough to make it shoot up, you just need to buy. You don't have a choice. You just need to buy. Okay. Now, for buying alone and for holding the token alone, the company still pays you percentage for holding the token alone. That's crazy. So for the high 200, the token is where the real deal or the deal breaker or the game-changing thing we are talking about, and in Solmax, that's where the whole thing lies. You just need to buy these tokens. You just need to buy a package, however small, however big. I don't care. Just get something. Just get something. Hold on to something. Hold on to something. Hold on to something. Hold your coin. Hold your tokens. Nobody should miss it. Nobody should miss it. Trust me, it's the biggest thing I've ever seen. It's the biggest thing I've ever. Today I was doing my calculation. I said I have 2 million units of these loyalty points, and if I convert them to SMG tokens, and let's say one SMG token goes at the rate of $1, because it's going to keep rising. I told you it's 0.1 cents, right? It's going to keep rising until $1, $2, $3, $100, $200, thousands of dollars. So imagine at just $1 per one of those tokens I'm talking about right now, it means I'm going to be $2 million richer in the next few months, in the next 1 year, even if it's going to take me 2 years. It's worth it. It's worth it. Everybody should join now. We don't even know where they are going. If your eyes are open enough and you have wisdom, you have understanding, you have the foresight of where this company is going, you will definitely buy. You don't have a choice. You will buy. Okay, so I want to indulge your presence here. Everybody should just focus, pay attention to all I'm saying. Pay attention, be focused. I want to crave your indulgence to be focused here. Pay attention to my voice note. I'm sounding it like you need to really do this because I know the importance of it. I know where we are going. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. I remember my humble self, Mastercraft. I'm always here to craft everything you want to know in Solmax. Ignite 200 is just a real bomb for me, and I'm enjoying it already because even today I got paid by this great company, and every day people are getting paid. Every week people are getting paid. Every month people are getting paid. It's an amazing one. It's a win-win situation for everybody. Nobody puts his money here and loses. This is not the kind of networks you've done in the past. This is divine. This is God's blessing in our life. We are moving this business, like moving generational wealth to the next, handing the baton to the next generation. It's gonna this company has come to stay, that our generation will come and go, and the next generation will come see it. So what are you afraid of? The greatest thing that can keep a man in bondage of poverty is fear. Kill your fear, change your mindsets, and begin to grow in prosperity with Solmax. Thank you, guys. I celebrate you. Bye-bye.